Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Geopolitics YouTube channel, and in this video we are gonna see about ongoing UPSC versus aspirant court case and about notification of Civil Services 2021 prelims examination. But before that, I urge you all to please subscribe our channel and join our Telegram group, the Geopolitics. All the links are in description. Alright, now back to the topic. Let's see background and things happened up to today in all this journey. So, it all started with the COVID virus. Due to COVID, lockdown, and other related disruptions, many aspirants could not take part in the prelims examination occurred on 4th of October 2020. Some of these aspirants are also the aspirants who are in their last attempt or onto their age bar or about to over age in 2021 examination. They requested UPSC for relaxation, but UPSC refused it. After this, more than 100 candidates who were in their last attempt during 2020 prelims examination filed a petition in Supreme Court seeking the postponement of prelims examination 2020 or one-time exemption. On 30 September 2020, Supreme Court refused to postpone prelims examination going to happen on 4th October. After all this, UPSC prelims examination was conducted on 4th October 2020. But the bench headed by Justice A.M. Khanwilkar had also directed the government and UPSC to consider giving extra attempts to the aspirants who were in their last attempt. Later, appearing for government, Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju said that Government of India is not in favor of giving extra attempts. UPSC also endorsed this view of Government of India. But when Supreme Court asked about affidavit from appropriate authority, then both government and UPSC changed its stance, but with some conditions. Government and UPSC see this issue in two: age bar and attempt bar. Government is ready to relax on attempt bar but not on age bar. Government clarified it is not in favor of granting one-time relaxation for candidates above maximum age limit, like in case of general or unreserved category it's 32 years. But it can allow candidates which are in their last attempt and below maximum age limit in next civil services examination, that is in 2021 examination. If I quote the exact words of the government given in affidavit to the Supreme Court, then according to this affidavit, it said, as per suggestion of this court, the Union of India is agreeable for the following ex gratia one time restricted relaxation to be granted to the candidates subject to the same being part of a constant order disposing of the petition. So that was proposal presented by government in Supreme Court. Now let's see the arguments presented by both the parties. So if we see the aspirant's argument, we will find that the aspirant argument is like this. So according to the advocate of aspirants, it says, due to innumerable inevitable circumstances suffered by them during crucial period of preparation is a ground for another attempt. Some argued about their COVID duty as they were already in job, and many argued about poor internet connectivity affecting their study. Now, if we see the center argument, we will find that according to the center arguments, giving extra attempt would lead to following things. First, unleveling of playing field. Second, can cause a cascading effect by creating a ground for challenge in future. Third, every candidate was affected equally in similar way due to the COVID. Fourth, UPSC preparation is not a last minute preparation examination, but it is a year-long process. One more interesting thing is Center furnished a chart in Supreme Court giving earlier relaxations details, and that were in year 1979, 1992 and 2015, all due to change in pattern of exam. Except this, in the history of civil services examination, UPSC has never given any relaxation on any other basis. So this was all background and timeline of all this case going on in the Supreme Court. The present status is the hearing is over, and after hearing all this, Supreme Court reserved its judgment, and very soon it would announce its ruling in the matter. Now if we talk about the notification of CSE 2021 prelims examination, due to this ongoing case, Supreme Court asked UPSC not to issue notification for 2021 civil services examination, as if petitioner aspirants wins the case, then Supreme Court ruling has to be incorporated in notification. That's why there is no notification on 10th February. But UPSC has given a notice on its website which said that the prelims examination will be on the date decided by UPSC. So that's all in this video. We wish you all a very enriching and energetic next 4 months preparation, and pray for your success.
You can get free PDF of this video at our Telegram channel Geopolitics YouTube and our Facebook group Geopolitics YouTube. If you like this video, please consider liking it. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will continue to bring quality content for you. We will meet in our next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.